The remains of late Mrs Felicia Ezenachukwu have been laid to rest at her matrimonial hometown, Enugwu, Nanka, Orumba North Local Government Area of Anambra State. This was after a requiem mass officiated by the Catholic Bishop of Awka Diocese, Most Rev Paulinus Ezeokafor. Joy Iloegbu reports.
Family members, friends and colleagues of the Ezenachukwu family of Enugwu, Nanka, Orumba North Local Government Area of Anambra State converged to pay their last respect to the family matriarch, late Mrs Felicia Ezenachukwu, who died at the age of 88. In his homily, Catholic Bishop of Awka Diocese, Most Rev Paulinus Ezeokafor, charged Christians to be steadfast and be prepared always, knowing that death is an inevitable end for all mortals.
We pray that our mother, who has really actually served God, remain faithful, that God will grant her eternal rest, condole the family, and keep all of us working hard for our own salvation.
Excellent, good mother, good mother. Please also use the opportunity to thank all those who have commiserated with us in whatever form.
I will miss her dishes, and I will miss the fact that she calls me by a name which people don't use. She calls me Chijinda.
Woman that stands in the gap to preach, to pray, to intercede for the family.
My mother is a good woman. Her secret is prayer.
Because the love that Mama having me, it's only Jesus that have that love on me.
I'm going to miss her calling me my choice. I was her choice. She always called me my choice. I'm going to miss her smiles. I'm going to miss her wake-up call to pray.
She's always lively and fun to be with.
To many, the final journey of the late Mrs Felicia Ezenachukwu is the celebration of a woman and mother who loved God, her family, and humanity.
I think the family should take solace in the fact that she has left legacies.
I pray I will continue to follow the footsteps of the mother, completely, even when she is not there.
Born in 1936 in Nanka, late Mrs Felicia Ezenachukwu was an epitome of a virtuous woman who loved God and raised her family in the way of the Lord. She is survived by many children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. From Nanka in Orumba North Local Government Area of Anambra State, Joy Iloegbu, NTA News.